Do you want to know how such a large LED display is made? Today, we will show you. First, assemble the panels together and secure them using the cyclic locks. Use the supply connection plates and long screws to fasten the panels to the frame and tighten them securely. Repeat the locking process for the remaining quick locks. After the panel assembly is completed, begin the cable connection process. Through the reserve cable routing channels inside the cabinet, connect the jumper power cables and jumper signal cables located at the bottom of the panels. Then connect the main power cable and the main network cable. Take out the Novastar TB series asynchronous control processor, install the processor antenna, connect the power cable, and connect the sensor interface. After powering on the system, connect the data cable and connect the PC to begin the mapping process. Find the wireless network broadcasted by the corresponding processor and enter the display password to pair and connect. Open the VIPLEX Express mapping application on the PC, click the Pair TB series processor, and select Monitor and Control. Choose Screen Topology and enter the password 666,888 to enter the mapping interface. Under number of receiving cards on the right side, input the actual number of columns and rows of the installed panels. Then, under receiving card resolution, enter the correct resolution for a single panel. Since the demo uses all VP 2.9500 by 1000 mm panels, the resolution should be set to 160 by 336 pixels. Next, perform the mapping process according to the actual connection sequence of the main signal cable and daisy chain signal cables on the screen. Then click Apply. Return to Playlist, select the content you want to display, add it to the playlist, adjust the display size, click Save, and then click Publish to complete the mapping process. At the same time, you can also use the Monitor and Control function in VIPLEX Express to monitor the panels and adjust functions such as brightness, as demonstrated.